friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing all of the different ways that you can make money as an aromatherapist. Alright, if you didn't know already, I just started my aromatherapy certification. I felt like it was time. It's been years now that I've loved and been into essential oils, and I do videos on them. So I wanted to become certified, one, to just solidify what I already know and to add to it, I'm already doing that and I'm really excited, and two, to become certified so that I can maybe take on clients and practice aromatherapy in that way. And I do plan to further my education. So basically there are lots of different places you can become certified as an aromatherapist, and then there are 3 different levels, and depending on which level of certification you achieve, you can do different things and obviously probably make more money. I don't know, but this is like a basic video of kind of generally what you can do once you're certified, and what I plan on doing. So the first thing that you can do is offer aromatherapy services. And also, before I get too far, this is all linked below. I did a whole blog post on this in case you want to see it like in writing, and then links to different things. So aromatherapy services, so you can take on clients in an office, you can work from home, you can work on your own, or you can work in an office of like a chiropractor or a wellness center or things like that. So there are lots of different options, and that's something that I was super excited about because, and I just shared this in a previous video, but the girls are going to be in school full-time next year, and I didn't plan on homeschooling or being like with them forever. And so now that they're going to school, I'm like, what do I do? And I can continue with what I'm doing, but also I like the options that I have, a perfect fit for us and our family. And once you're like a clinical aromatherapist, you can even work in hospitals. So there are tons of different options. You can sell essential oil products. So I could make a line of skincare products out of essential oils and then sell them. This is something that I've thought about before. I used to sell like labels and diffuser jewelry on Etsy, and a lot of people wanted to know like if the oils came with the products or if I sold different blends. So I did get a lot of inquiries on that, so it kind of just sparked an interest. I don't know for sure if I will do that, but just selling like different blends, maybe rollers, perfume rollers, things like that, that's always an option, which I really love. I love the thought of that too, for like going to different booths or going to different like makers and merchants, like events, and like having a booth. I think that would be fun, like a fun community event, so that's always an option too. You can write books and curriculum and resources, courses, things like that, and that is something that I will do. I plan on doing. I want to have a bunch of different like resources that you can get, like a whole PDF or book on essential oils and pets or essential oils and babies, very specific ones. And I have my list going on the different things that I want to do as far as like ebooks, that kind of thing. So let me know if that interests you, and if it does, what specific things you would want to see in my store of books. Teach aromatherapy classes is next, and this is also something that kind of sparks interest, but I think I would want to do it like online. So this would be similar to like having all of the different ebooks, but it would just be classes on specific things or just on general aromatherapy, and it could either be in person or online, which I do like the options of that also. The last thing on my list is to create courses or webinars, which is kind of similar. So like an ebook or a course, and I don't even know, like you have to be certified to teach a certification class. So that's like down the road, maybe an option, but like really far down the road, that really isn't something that I'll be doing right away. But you can do just different kinds of passive income type of things like that. Like you create the course once, just like the ebook, and then like that would be a good form of passive income because you're selling something multiple times that you've created once. And that is the goal of entrepreneurship. I think like passive income, that's everyone's goal, so that'll definitely be incorporated into my business. But mainly I just wanted to learn more. The more knowledge I can share with you guys and confidently share. I just feel like if someone is certified in whatever industry it might be, you're going to trust them more. They're educated and they know what they're talking about. With that being said, there are, like, that doesn't guarantee that someone knows everything. That just means that they care and have taken the time to become certified in whatever that they're passionate in, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm sure there are a lot of different pathways too that you can take once becoming certified. This was just a general list, so if I come across any more that I'm interested in, I'll put down below for you guys in this blog post. You know, if you have any other ideas or if you have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.